Okay, here is a quick video of how to change out the Fidlock for the Cobra buckle. So first step is just to take that Fidlock off. If it's broken, you know, remove all the pieces or whatever you have to do. Pull out that side, should look like that. Then we've got the roller cam buckle that you gotta release. Pull that strap all the way out, just like that, and slide your Fidlock off. And then we're going to replace it with this Cobra buckle, and we're just kind of do it backwards for what we did before. So we want the Cobra buckle to be oriented like this. It's got some engravings that are on the top, and then the silver buckle, we want it to be on the top as well. So this would be wrong. This is correct. So we slide the long strap through that single side of the Cobra buckle, pull it all the way in, and then slip the long tail through the roller cam. So it goes like that. And then we take the short tail from the other side. We want to poke it through the inside first. And again, that silver bar is on the top. And so poke it through that inside part first, and then we want to stuff that thing right there in the close side. And then adjust it as needed. And that's how you do it.